Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Grace. In today's episode, I will be sharing with you how to choose the perfect wall art for your space. So stay tuned and watch till the end. The first tip is to select what you like. If you see something and it doesn't foster a feeling of enjoyment and relaxation, don't put it on your wall. As much as you want to bring something that you love, make sure it matches with the theme that's already in that particular room. Speaking of art, you also want to know where to find art. You can get your art pieces, especially here in Kenya, from Smart Art. They are a bit expensive, but there's something for everyone. Apart from them being expensive, they are art pieces that everyone will love and complement everyone's styles. The other place you can find wall art pieces for a cheaper price is at Kilimall. So get the app, search for what you love, and then get to buy it. As you can see, the prices are fair and cheap, and everyone who wants to get a wall art piece into their space can get a cheaper version there. My next tip is to select your wall art by color. The two major approaches to selecting your wall art by color is to first add art to your room that incorporates colors already present in the room, or rather choose art for your room that introduces a bolder shade on the same color scheme. My next tip is to select wall art by theme. Every home is decorated around a certain theme. Therefore, when selecting your wall art, it is important to pick a wall art that complements your theme. My fourth tip is to select wall art according to your style. Choose pieces that match the style of your room, including furniture pieces you already have in that space. Invest in at least one significant or oversized piece that you'd love to have in that particular space for years. Purchase a set or even a trio or a group of mini or small pieces that work well above short walls or empty walls. When choosing your wall art, choose your piece with size in mind for a quick selection. You want to consider the height of the ceilings and walls when choosing your wall art. Again, you want to ensure that as much as you're bringing in wall art pieces into your space, you have to ensure that you're placing them correctly. Choose your wall art based on your inspiration. You can get your inspiration from apps like Pinterest, where you can pin something that will help you or inspire you to choose the right wall art for your space. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below. Tell me what you enjoyed about the video.